Hey mom, so we're just going to go ahead and jump straight on into the video. This video today will be sponsored by Talkto Hair Company. They do have 100% human hair wigs. It is an Amazon Prime store, so I'm just showing you guys how the wig came. Came in this really cute pink box, and as you can see, the wig came very secure. It was safely packaged and all in that plastic bag. Nothing can get in the bag, nothing can get out. Now, it also did come with Talkto Hair's business card, so it does have the links to all of their social media accounts. That way you can follow them on social media. And it also did come with some wig caps. I believe it was like 2 or 3 inside this one pack of wig caps, which I appreciate because a sis was in need of them, seriously. So here I'm just showing you guys how that bag looks. It's like a really thick type of plastic bag. Like literally there's no holes or anything like that. The wig is nice and secure inside the safety net as well with the little stuffing near the lace. That way the lace does not get ruined as it's in packaging and on its way to you. So next I'm just going to show you guys how the hair looks once you take off, all the excess packaging. Honestly, the hair was extremely soft. I'm very quick to run my hands through the wig just to ensure that there is no shedding, and there was no shedding at all. And now I'm just showing you guys what the inside of the wig cap looks like. As you can see, there's barely any little lace to work with. This is called a T-part wig. This is my first wig that's like this. Kind of reminds me of a closure wig. Very easy to work with, very beginner friendly. Obviously the lace has to be bleached because we can't be going out like that, sis. That's not cute. So these are the bleach packets that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I also got the 30 volume developer. I actually have 40 volume already, but I feel like it works too slow, so I decided to go ahead and purchase the 30 volume. I think the lower you go, the faster it works, something like that. So anyways, I'm just opening up this bleach packet, and I'm just going to pour a little bit inside the bowl. So a little trick that I learned is to basically pour as much bleach that you think that you need and start off with a little bit developer. The key is to have it look kind of like toothpaste, so it's not supposed to be too runny. So you're supposed to pour the bleach, pour the developer, then if you need to add more bleach to thicken it up, then you should. But at the end of it, the stick or whatever you're using to apply the bleach onto your wig should be able to stand up in the bowl on its own without tipping over. If it tips over, that means that the bleach is too runny and it will seep through your lace and honestly get on the wig, which you don't want because it'll turn it blonde. So now you're just going to go ahead and put the bleach onto the wig. Make sure you're applying it far down enough. That way you have a lot of lace to work with while you're trying to figure out exactly how to lay the wig on your head. You want to make sure you kind of make it a lot easier on yourself, Now, as far as applying the bleach onto your wig, you want to make sure that you do not press it in or you're not too heavy-handed. Just lightly tap it. That way you can ensure that it does not seep through the lace and get on your wig accidentally. from the front. Take your time, because if you mess up, sis, then it's like you got to get a whole new wig. So it's best that you just take your time. But what I will say is that this specific wig was very easy to work with. So it wasn't a lot of work to get their hairline exactly where I wanted it at all. So I pretty much finished with this side. Boom, y'all see that? It looks so much better. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the next side, and I'm just gonna customize it to really get the hairline exactly how I wanted it. As you guys know, this is a T-shaped wig, so it really wasn't much to do at all. So that's why I say this is a very perfect beginner type wig, because it really wasn't that hard to work with. Like, look how easy that was. Boom, like 1, 2, 3. I love that. So I'm pretty much done plucking, so now comes the fun part as far as putting the wig on. And this is where you really see what it looked like. Alright, so here is the wig, all nice and pretty. It's still pretty wet, but not too bad. You guys see how see-through that lace is? Yes, sis. So now I'm just going to go ahead and basically just color, you know, my wig cap. Obviously, this is not my typical scalp color. You want it to look as natural as possible. So I know that there's like a spray tint that some girls use, but I just go ahead with some powder foundation or just some regular powder. I like to mix the color sometimes, and I'm also going to add it onto the lace as well. That way when I put it on my head, it kind of, you know, just melts in. That's what you want. So now I'm just going to try on the wig, and I'm doing this for 2 reasons. One, I want to see how it fits on my head, which I didn't do in the beginning. You should probably do that in the beginning, by the way. And secondly, I just want to see what the hairline and how the lace looks on my head and under, you know, on top of the wig cap. So I just want to make sure everything is good to go before I sew on the elastic band and really fit it to my head. off, so that'll be it for today's video basically. So I hope you guys found this helpful, because I know a lot of you guys do like, you know, the wigs that I wear and stuff. So I hope that this was helpful as far as how to customize it. It may have seemed like a lot, but trust me, it's not a lot. It's just little mini steps that you gotta put together. So like I said, this hair is from Talkto Hair. They are an Amazon store. They are a new hair brand. So just so you know, if you're one of those people that like to look at reviews a lot, that there might not be that many reviews because they are new. But that's why I was happy that I was able to do this video for you guys, so you guys can actually see how the hair is. And as you can see, this hair is really, really nice, you guys. Barely any shedding. The only shedding that I really had was after I bleached the knots, which is normal. As far as plucking the front of the hair, which is technically like a closure almost, it wasn't a lot at all, because you're just the hairline and you didn't really have to do much to the middle part at all. So this is a really, really, really good beginner wig. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. This is 18 inches, by the way. I will have all the information regarding the hair in the description box, as well as the link to the Amazon store. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is like perfect for summertime. Like, this looks like this could be my hair. Like, I love it. Just let me know your thoughts or whatever in the comment section down below. Definitely check them out. And I want to say thank you again to Talkto Hair for sponsoring this video. I highly appreciate it. You guys surprised me with this hair, and I'm probably gonna be wearing this wig a lot. But that'll be it for today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.